we'll guide you through how to add the Streamlabs Chatbox to your stream setup. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Streamlabs website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard on the left-hand side and select the Widgets option. From there, you'll see a list of various widgets available. Find and click on Chatbox. This will take you to the Chatbox settings page, where you can customize the appearance and functionality of your chatbox. Here, you can adjust settings like the theme, font size, and color scheme to match your stream's branding. After you're satisfied with the customization, in the top you'll see a widget URL. Copy this URL, as you'll need it in the next step. Now, open your streaming software, such as OBS Studio, and under the Sources section, click the plus sign to add a new source. Choose Browser from the list of options. A new window will pop up where you can paste the widget URL you copied earlier into the URL field. Adjust the width and height settings to fit your stream layout, then click OK. Your chatbox should now be visible on your stream preview. You can reposition and resize it as needed to perfectly fit your stream layout. And there you have it. Your Streamlabs Chatbox is now successfully added to your stream setup, allowing you to engage with your audience in real time. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.